describe the illustration on bullying below using linear text. Write your answer on a separate sheet of paper. Alright, here is the sample in your module. This is where we are going to get the idea in making a paragraph describing about this bullying. Okay, here's the sample answer. By the way, this is not found in your module. Wala ito sa inyong module. So, you need to copy this down. I just pause the video for a while and then proceed on copying. Sample answer. In today's world, which has been made smaller by technology, new age problems have been born. No doubt, technology has a lot of benefits. However, it also comes with a negative side. It has given birth to cyberbullying. To put it simply, cyberbullying refers to the misuse of information technology with the intention to harass others. Subsequently, cyberbullying comes in various forms. It doesn't necessarily mean hacking someone's profiles or posing to be someone else. It also includes posting negative comments about somebody or spreading rumors to defame someone. As everyone is caught up on the social network, it makes it very easy for anyone to misuse this access. In other words, cyberbullying has become very common nowadays. It includes actions to manipulate, harass, and defame any person. These hostile actions are seriously damaging and can affect anyone easily and gravely. They take place on social media, public forums, and other online information websites. A cyberbully is not necessarily a stranger. It may also be someone you know. Alright, now, what I have learned. And what I have learned, we have another activity and here is the direction. Complete the following statements given below. Write your answers in your notebook. Illustration means, by the way, the answers here is not found in your module, so you need to copy this down. Illustration means a picture or diagram that helps make something clear or attractive. I learned that a linear text is a text that needs to be read from beginning to the end to be fully understood. Number 3, I realized that linear text is composed of words that are connected together to form a sentence, and then these sentences are connected together to form a paragraph, while nonlinear text is composed of lines or drawings that are connected together to form an idea. Okay, number 4. This lesson enabled me to learn that linear text has only one reading path, while nonlinear text can be read in different paths. Number 5. In my next reading task, I will determine first if the text is linear or non-linear text. Now, under what I can do. Direction. Explain the following illustration using linear and non-linear text. Highlight in your answers how the image affects you as a person and how you will deal with it in real life. Write your answers in your notebook. Alright, here is the suggested answer. By the way, this is not found in your module. This is my own idea, so you need to copy this down so that you have a reference or additional idea on how to create your own answer. Now, this suggested answer is for linear text. I feel bad whenever I see somebody being bullied. It would seem that that guy is being bullied because he or she is weak. Now, the victim usually longs for somebody to protect him. The problem is that the onlookers usually do not want to be involved in the conflict, so they just tend to mind their own business, which I think is disgusting. Now, here is the suggested answer for non-linear text. Again, this is not found in your module. At the center here, we have bullying, and around here are the words. that describes the feeling of a person that is being bullied, the bullying victim. We have despised, hated. Bullying victim is scandalized, is backstabbed, scolded, despised, ostracized, and ignored. Alright, now here is the assessment. Answer the following questions and then write only the letters of your answer on a separate sheet of paper. Number 1. It is an invented prose narrative that is usually long and complex and deals especially with human experience through a usually connected sequence of events. A. Essay. B. Novel. C. Speech. D. Story. The correct answer is option C. Speech. Number 2. It is a fictional narrative shorter than a novel. A. Essay. B. Novel. C. Speech. D. Story. The correct answer is option D. Story. Number 3. It is a direct or personal written or printed message addressed to a person or organization. A. Essay. B. Letter. C. Poem. D. Verse. The correct answer is option B. Letter. Number 4. It is a sheet giving information in tabular form. A. Chart. B. Flowchart. C. Graph. D. Map. The correct answer is A. Chart. Number 5. It is a diagram that represents the variation of a variable in comparison with that of one or more other variables. A. Chart. B. Flowchart. C. Graph. D. Map. The correct answer is option C. Graph. Number 6. It is a diagram that shows a step-by-step progression through a procedure or system, especially using connecting lines and a set of conventional symbols. A. Chart. B. Flowchart. C. Graph. And D. Map. The correct answer is option B. Flowchart. Number 7. It is a representation usually on a flat surface of the whole or a part of an area. A. Chart. B. Flowchart. C. Graph. D. Map. The correct answer is option D. Map. Next, number 8. Which is an example of a linear text? A. Flowchart. B. Verse. C. Chart. D. Graph. The correct answer is B. Verse. Number 9. It is a picture or diagram that helps make something clear or attractive. A. Figure. B. Illustration. C. Image. D. Pictograph. The correct answer is option B. Illustration. Number 10. It refers to traditional text that needs to be read from beginning to the end for further understanding. A. Essay. B. Linear. C. Non-linear. And D. Speech. The correct answer is option B. Linear. 11. It is non-sequential, which means that the readers do not have to go through the text in a sequential manner in order to make sense of the text. A. Essay. B. Linear. C. Non-linear. D. Speech. The correct answer is option C. Non-linear. 12. This type of text has an order or sequence. A. Essay. B. Linear. C. Non-linear. D. Speech. The correct answer is option B. Linear. Number 13. This type of text has many reading paths, since it is the readers who decide the sequence of reading, not the author of the text. A. Essay. B. Linear. C. Non-linear. D. Speech. The correct answer is option C. Non-linear. 14. It is a text that is not read from beginning to the end. A. Illustration. B. Image. C. Linear. D. Non-linear. The correct answer is option D. Non-linear. Number 15. It is a composition in verse. A. Essay. B. Letter. C. Poem. And D. Story. The correct answer is option C. Poem. I hope you have learned something in this video. Watch out again for my other videos for the second quarter, and also my other videos about English grammar. Thank you very much for watching. See you again.